Here we go again. This is a folding chair versus the Chiavari chair. So I've already got the black cover on it. This particular cover does already have a band on it. Not all of them do. This one just happens to have it. So we either rent them out this way, which is common as well. We also have these, which is basically the little bling bling with some Velcro. A quick addition to ones that have these bands is right here, is just to add this to it. Quick, easy, elegant. Get this in different colors. This happens to be silver, but you can get it in gold, pink, black. If you want a white chair cover, do the black. There's all kinds of options available. I'm just going to take this back off. Here we go. I'm using a white L'amour satin just for a little bit of stiffness here. I'm going to put this over. Nice and tight. And this will need to be a knot because we're not putting a bow in this one. So it does need to be tight. And then we're going to take both of these, flip them over. First I want to flatten this one out nicely. And then the one on top, this is the shiny side, goes on top. Okay, so that's part one. Now here we go. I'm just using another eggplant. I like to use the organza just because it's easier to tie. And I like simplicity. I fold this now in half. All right. Again, find the halfway point so that your tails are the same length. Now I want to do my bow. This doesn't have to be organza. This could be satin. This could be any material, to be honest. It just gives it a two-tone look. And from the front, I'll show you as well. As long as this is in halfway folded over, you get this look. So you got a bit of a band with another color in the middle. It just changes the look completely. A little bit more elegant or a little bit more flair, whichever one you want to call it. Again, play around with colors. Brooches, pins, bling can all be added. Dried flowers, real flowers can all be put in here as well. Tons of choices out there. Just play around, find what works for your event and what matches your whole theme of your room. Thanks for listening or watching.